It's a lot. When I say a lot of damage, guys, it's a whole lot of damage. Can you imagine, guys? I was gonna come down here, Sunday gone, for Mother's Day to do a video, a cleaning video for mommy. And this is what happened. I don't know. Right now, I'm shaking and I'm confused. But I have to give God thanks. I feel like to cry because we just got called that my mother's house is on fire. The fire truck is here. Behind me, you can see. I'm literally shaking. But she's alright, guys. She's okay. Her neighbor got her out of the house and stuff. I'm going to show you, but the fire people are saying that we're not supposed to come close because the smoke is still in there. It's strong. They out the fire, but a lot of stuff got burned up.
Stand in the shade. Stand in the shade.
So, oh man, but you know what, guys? We have to give God thanks because we could have get called. Yeah, we could have get called so she get burned up in the fire. So, but like I said, I'm shaking right now. I say devil stay now. He always a China man. The devil always a try. I'm not gonna show you what's going on, guys. You going there? You see?
That hot man must say he like the one in there. The one in there is about your camera.
Take it hotter. So there is a fire truck, guys. Yeah.
That big fire, man.
Yeah, oh gosh.
All I will let them mash up.
I'll let them mash up.
You know what? I'm going to leave you with this. Your
Let
mother.
me take it off of there. Guys, she's mommy's neighbor. She's the one that called me and tell me. She was going to go back in there?
Of course.
Not the fire.
She don't make go back in there because I read the man up there to go look for her. If I him go look for her, because when I come down off of the hill and I say me don't have no credit, him give me one call and he say when me small in there and Ray come down come look for her. That time she gone on at the back. I don't know if I in the house, me serial keep her around. So much you give her thanks because you still not burn down
I
bad.
got me say, and none of that front people in the house, you know. Mommy never dead because she could have get the car so she get burned up in the fire. So we have to give God thanks for that too. After you fire the big man.
And it's still never because you, I mean.
Like it was board roof.
If I did, yes, that it took the worst.
Like when the bust of the concrete, you know, the concrete must have fired the canopy.
But drink so much and before we be okay.
Yeah, man.
We don't want too much person to go inside right now. Take some pictures. This is what my sister. Yeah, man, I realized that she was asking me what this talent to us, but she was telling me that
Everybody is off at me. Just rush.
information. Stuff like that. You have insurance? Oh, so insurance? Yes.
See then, Tracy, come.
They can't go in there, yeah?
Here, nobody allowed inside right now. This is insurance?
Now come out the sun. Connie, no, you can't. No, come. They might take picture, don't trouble anything, come. Everywhere. All the windows them crack up or something. Hmm? Hmm?
Muslim are right.
Me here.
Muslim are right.
Mm-hmm. And me, you go to crash there too, you know? Right at gate. I know I'm an almost cafe. But look. No, me top I do. Mommy, you not coming up?
Advise you to go in there with your slippers still.
I said, oh, broken glass.
You never know if you go in there with nail.
Oh. You can smell it, you can feel it, you know?
Yeah, Paul.
Jeez, I'm peas in your hat. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Guys. Wow. Have to be careful when walking though, guys. Yeah, take out the bed. Wait, your table saved, the one I saved. Try careful of slippers you have on here. This dress I don't get burned. Now the room is not getting no burn. Oh, in here's not getting no burn.
We do assessment of the damage and make sure so we're not missing anything, including any heat transfer pockets that might have come across. Best thing to do before we start any form of reconstructive work in terms of the cleanup.
Oh, the water runs from all the way in here, so. Oh, man. Okay guys, so the fire, I was so frightened guys that I put on my blood back here when I left the house earlier. The fire people came and now they're gone. Get down, Jordan, get down. There's a lot, when I say a lot of damage guys, it's a whole lot of damage. Can you imagine guys, I was going to come down here Sunday gone for Mother's Day to do a video, a cleaning video for mommy. And this is what happened. Wow. But like I said, we have to give God thanks that mommy was not in the house. It was Mikey and Courtney after they got the call that rushed down here. This is Mikey, and that is Courtney. They rushed down here and put out the fire. He said the whole place was engulfed with smoke and fire, and he had to crawl low down, below, way below the smoke and the fire to put it out. And then after the fire truck came, but they didn't take long to come though. Yeah, and they said we have to wait for tomorrow or so. Mommy, don't come in here. Tomorrow or so before we can clean it up and stuff. And we have to wait until later before we can close the door, board up the windows and all of that. I say rice cook. The table saved though. Not true. The rice. We cook now, we can eat it now. We got some sardine or mackerel. They good? Smelly. You have to just wait until certain time when you just board up back on. You don't have no board? You want 1, 2, 3. A tray one. And a door or something.
Yeah. Let me see now. Ask Nikai. Yeah, Nikai have some board. Nikai have some time. Nikai have some time.
Courtney. Do what? Oh, I inverted that. The
Get a new inverter.
Oh
I do
gosh.
inverter we have.
The heater cannot go in now, you know.
Mami, hurry up and come out.
Everything. Only that chair frame over there is to leave. That's not frame, the board part they burn out. Entertainment center burned to the ground. Television burned to the ground. The internet box. Oh man, radio.
No, never again. Mikey.
Those two bedside tables, they were over there. They burned up. The door. The door gone, guys. The ceiling completely black. Yes, guys. But like I said again, we are so grateful that Mommy was not inside. I mean, she didn't get trapped inside when the fire took place. So grateful for that. So God, we have God, we have to say thank you. Thank you so much. Yep. It's sad though. Then go and buy water. Should caution in block off people them driveway. No, sir. So Courtney decided to clean it up because he can't wait until 2 days. So we decided to clean it up, guys. Yep. Still doesn't feel real to me at all. Still don't feel real. Such is life, huh? Such is life. You say you pass, you walk? Run you say you go?